What's up, friends? Let's see if the LFA Nurburgring is good or not. Let's play the Chrome of Serpents and see if it's good. Here I have gotten it. It's the first car you can get in the Rimac Nevera R special event, and let's play it. Play with it, and when if you don't know, then I have made a video of the season showcase or about the whole new season. Definitely don't forget to check that out. And yeah, and when in that video, this thing performed like a full rocket. It was handling was pretty good. Let's see now. One shot max. Shockwave killing the police. That means a good thing for me. Because I really don't like them. Let him come, okay? Okay, good one. Nice shockwave that was. With the landing on the nitro bottle. He also came in between when I was gonna barrel roll. That was very new thing of that, him. Again he's coming in between. Shockwave? Oh no. Okay, I thought I was gonna die. Shockwave jump. Not shockwave jump, 360 jump. I have to escape in 1 minute. Still 1 more minute to escape. And I think so I can escape in that 1 minute. Whoa! That was a crazy one. Thanks for the nitro bottle. I really needed that for the shockwave. Perfect timing for the nitro bottle. Police coming. Wreck down. Please come on. Okay. He did not come. This guy is smart. Not like the other dumb police. But he's gonna go now. Yeah. Not smarter than me, bud. Wow, that's a cool animation with my shockwave. And the finish of the race with a barrel roll. That seemed to be a nice nitro. I like the nitro of this car. Handling is pretty good, not as good as it was 4-starred. Let's play money then. And acceleration is pretty good. It goes fast enough. If only the police do not come in between, then it might be very fast. Those things annoy me a lot. Those freak police. Now we have players with us, and now so we can race with money run. Okay. First only to came to slow me down. Nice. Oh yeah. Another dumb police. That was dumb. Oh, I forgot to 360. 360. Perfect time 360. Timed one. 360 again. Oh, if I would have shockwaved a bit early, then he would have gone. Again, if I would have... Okay, killed him. I changed my path and I didn't even know. Police have stopped few and I get 4040 coins. Okay, I told you, if the police don't come in middle, then my car is really fast. And as you saw, the nitro is really good. So, this is the first car you can get in the Rimac Nevera R event. So, Please don't forget to play this event. It's just really good. Check out my last video if you want to know about this new event. That's it for me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.